Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to install a Dell docking station for a laptop step-by-step setup tutorial. Step 1. Power the docking station. Connect the power adapter supplied with your docking station directly to the dock and then plug it securely into a nearby wall outlet. Once done, turn on the docking station if it has a dedicated power button. Step 2. Update drivers and BIOS. Now before connecting the dock, it is highly recommended to update your laptop to avoid video or connectivity issues. Simply run Windows Update to ensure your OS is current. Then update your BIOS, chipset, and graphics drivers. You can do this by downloading Dell Command Update or using Dell Support Assist. Step 3. Connect to your laptop. Now check your laptop and dock specifications to match the connection type. For Thunderbolt/USB-C dock, insert the Thunderbolt or USB-C cable from the dock into the compatible port on your laptop and make sure your USB-C port supports DisplayPort alternate mode. For universal USB dock, connect the USB-A or USB-C cable from the dock into a USB 3.0 port on your laptop. Then allow your operating system a few moments to automatically detect the dock and configure the new hardware. Step 4. Connect the peripherals. Once the dock is successfully linked, you can now plug your external devices into the station. The monitors. Connect them using HDMI DisplayPort or USB-C cables to the back of the dock. Keyboard and mouse. Plug these into the available USB ports on the dock. Internet/audio. Now connect your Ethernet cable and any external speakers or headsets to the dock. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.